Have you ever wondered if a machine could create art as compelling as a human can? Well, the answer's an exciting yes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now playing a game-changing role in the world of content creation. It's no longer just about human artists crafting masterpieces with their skill and intuition. We are now witnessing a new era where machines, powered by AI, are generating images and videos that are incredibly detailed, captivating, and sometimes indistinguishable from those created by humans. AI is not a new concept. It has been revolutionizing various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and now it's making a significant impact in the creative industry. In content creation, AI is not just assisting, it's creating. It's generating images, videos, and even writing scripts, all with a level of sophistication that was once thought to be the sole domain of human creativity. Indeed, AI has become an unseen artist in today's digital world. But how does AI create content? Is it magic or complex algorithms? That's a question that might be swirling in your mind. Well, it's not magic, but indeed a blend of complex algorithms and vast amounts of data. Let's break it down. At the heart of AI content creation are algorithms, which are essentially a set of instructions or rules that a computer follows to solve a problem or complete a task. In the context of content creation, these algorithms help AI understand patterns, interpret data, and make decisions. So how does AI use these algorithms? Well, it all boils down to learning from data. Lots and lots of data. AI algorithms, specifically machine learning algorithms, learn from this data by identifying patterns and making predictions. This learning process is iterative, meaning the AI improves its performance as it is exposed to more and more data. Now, let's dive a bit deeper and talk about a specific type of AI algorithm that plays a crucial role in content creation: generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short.